guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be a day in my life. So it was Saturday. I sat down to study around 10 a.m. and firstly I was doing poem of English, and because of the few reasons I was not going to school for a few days, so I was having a pending work. But firstly I did a self study of this poem, then I rewrite the question answers, which was my homework. And another thing I want to tell you that I have told you that I am going to start a 21-day study challenge, but I didn't because of my illness, and I am going to start it as soon as possible. So comment below down that how much study hours did you want in that vlog, that should I do 6 hours study challenge or something else I should include on that. And then after completing my English work, I was going through a book which I have recently got, and see this how rubbish I did in the book front page, but I like this thing, so I read the book and I completed a chapter on that. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड केमिस्ट्री, जहाँ पे मैंने सेकंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट ही किया था, बट उसके बाद आई जस्ट टुक अ ब्रेक जहाँ पे मैंने लंच किया एंड ऑल. एंड दिस आर द क्लिप्स ऑफ द आफ्टरनून, लाइक 2:30 something, around 2:30 something, and the weather was so good enough, so I took a outside break. I went outside, had some clips.
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for
And these are the clips of night where I was doing physics, but I did it off camera because I was using the phone. Plus मैं chemistry भी whole record नहीं कर पाई because I was using the same phone at that time. Then I had dinner with Sinchan and फिर मैं maths करने के लिए बैठी. I did some questions over there. That was all pretty much for this video. I hope you like this, so you don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.